whack.
You know the clip I'm talking about there? Yeah.
Ah, pre-merge, bro. I don't care what I see next week on Survivor.
Are you watching another one?
No. Oh, the one dude is getting horny, let's go.
Oh. I beat it. Nice.
Let's go.
Did fluke that from 56, but I was pretty well practiced with the end, so that makes sense. That was really good, as usual from Sillow. 359 attempts, not bad. Yeah, I really like this. Sillow's a very, very creative person. I think this level really shows that. I mean, I don't know, I just love this level visually. Gameplay holds up pretty well too. Yeah, I really don't have any gameplay concerns. I mean, there are some hitboxes that are a bit hard to judge, and a few maneuvers are like a bit clunky because of that. One of them that I can think of is like the one at 56 where I have to go up like to avoid like the whole like you have to go through like the torso of like the wizard man, and that's a bit hard to like go maneuver up into, but it's like there's a few things like that here and there throughout the level, but they're really not that bad. You can definitely get a hang of them. It's a very skill-based level, for sure. I'm sure that higher first rate aided things, but I did also play this on full detail, and I was definitely lagging a good amount, so I don't know, I just wanted to play it on full detail. It wasn't hard enough to where the lag made too much of a difference. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this level. I thought it was really fun. GG.